Can you put Desi-Galli on, please? I'm PriaVanda Chouhan, owner and chef of Desi-Galli in New York City. Kachi roll will be ready in 2 minutes. I moved to New York 9 years ago once I got married. I had zero experience in the kitchen. We were eating out so much. We gained about 15 pounds each. And after watching shows like Rachael,
enough to feed an army,
I learned how to do 30-minute meals, learned how to make some home recipes, and here we are today. I really feel like Rachael changed my life in a sense because she really made cooking seem less intimidating.
ta-da!
It seemed like anyone could do it, including myself.
I'm a salty girl, I like extra.
I still to this day throw salt over my shoulder for good luck. One of the first recipes I tried to make was Rachael Ray's spicy lemon dip. It was super easy. My husband was well impressed. And then slowly, I started into the Indian cooking 101. My husband's like, let's share our recipes with the world. Some of our favorite dishes are kachi rolls, which are Indian burritos, and a dish called Desi-Galli. We do the French fries with a Tikka sauce and grated paneer, which is inspired by my hometown, Montreal. My favorite thing about what I do is the customer feedback that I get and how happy they are about finding the flavors that remind them of home. What I would like to say to Rachael is, Rachael, thank you for inspiring me to get into the kitchen and to learn how to cook. If it wasn't for you 9 years ago, I would not have my restaurants today. Thank you so much. Thank you so
Priya,
much.
where are your locations?
We have 2 locations in the city. Our original's on Lexington and 27th, and our newer one's in the East Village, Avenue B and 11th Street.
Lovely to meet you. I'm so excited. You really found your passion, it seems.
Yes, I did. And thanks to you, Rachael. Really,
no,
thanks to you.
You were born. These are gorgeous. Show me what you have here. Show everybody.
Perfect. So our most popular dish in the restaurant is chicken tikka masala, which is inspired from the British. It's not actually an Indian dish. So this is my husband's family recipe, served with basmati rice. We have kachi rolls, which are Indian burritos.
Those are gorgeous. So cute.
And then we have pani puri, which I would love for you to taste.
Sure.
Have you ever had a pani puri before?
I have.
Excellent. Hopefully you'll enjoy ours.
These are gorgeous. So we're putting the chickpeas in our little crispy basket.
Yep, and you put it straight all in your mouth.
Hey, come on. What a cute couple. Family hug. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. And if you're in New York City, you have to check out PriaVanda's restaurants, both called Desi-Galli. I can go to the one in my neighborhood. I could walk there in 5 minutes, and I will the next time I get a day off. Thank you to all you guys for joining us, and we'll see you when we see you.